Today I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at the creation of a shark versus rabbit episode. Let's get into it. We have a storyboard that kind of maps out all the different scenes, and we have long shots, medium shots, and close-ups. And so it kind of gives us a good idea of what pieces we need to make for this animation. Once we've got our storyboard ideas down, we polish up some sketches that we have here, and these will become our final product and the pieces that we will actually use in our animation. For example, we have some trees here that are almost final. Here's an array of many cutout pieces that we are going to use for our animation. In this animation, we have the shark here, who's going to have a fishing line, and he's going to be dangling a carrot in front of the rabbit. As you can see, he loves the carrot. And once he bites onto the carrot, he's going to be flipping around like a fish. And we got the different positions here of him flipping. This is our close-up cutout of the shark. As you can see here, we have different mouthpieces that we can use and different eyes that we can use. Here's a blink if we wanted to have him blink, or here's some teeth if we wanted to have him show teeth. This is kind of the mess that gets created when we make a shark versus rabbit. We have the backdrop, and we have those final pieces in here, sometimes taped to the back, and we film them on our handy dandy iPad here. And we are going to now take the first picture of shark versus rabbit. Stay tuned for more to come. Bone. Animate.